Honorable member Shri Devagowda ji to speak for a few minutes on this topic. बैठ के बोल सकते हैं sir. You can sit and speak.
Honorable Chairman, sir. Today,
So if you'd like, you can sit and speak, sir.
I had permitted to speak for a few minutes on President address. I don't want to take much time. There are several subjects mentioned in the President address. Sir, being a farmer, I dealt with the farmer subjects on several occasions. The contention is now about the 3 bills that has been enacted by the House. Though on the day there is no proper proceedings were able to conduct it as the House was not in order. Sir, today small and marginal farmers are more than 90%. Their holdings is half an acre to 1 acre. Now, to protect their interest, the bills that have been enacted, the impression of the government is that is going to be solved. In my humble opinion, it may be very difficult to solve the problem of the small and marginal farmers. Almost all the previous governments have done to see that the farmer's condition is to be improved. But net result is now the urban area is now improving. The farmers are suffering and they are now migrated to cities. When we are in office as a coalition government, sir, the situation, what I have understood at the time, the farmers are in a very poor condition. We have taken certain decisions to help the farmers. The decision which I have taken under the leadership, under the coalition government which I have been asked to perform as a Prime Minister. 50% subsidy we have given to the tractors, power tillers, drip irrigation and sprinkler irrigation, micro irrigation, all the concerned equipments were given 30 to 50% subsidy. I think Punjab has most benefited at that time. When we took an decision for the poor people also classified, not by any presumption or assumption. Lakdawala committee has taken the decision at the time. I think Madam Gandhi has been appointed that committee, Lakdawala committee. They gave the report. Nearly 36% is below poverty line. To help those people 10 kg of rice, 5 kg of wheat, 1 liter of mitti ka tel, and 1 kilo sugar. We have taken the decision. At that time, the expenditure, how to meet, was one of the major issues. Nearly 8,900 crores for the expenditure for this particular purpose. I don't want to deal with all those things. But the point is, having the experience of this farmers' problem for the present government, with 7 years experience as Prime Minister of this country, he has taken several decisions for the farmers to help. There are so many issues which I can quote, but I am not going to dispute the programs that has been announced and implemented from last 2014. They have got some results. Only one point I would like to tell this Honorable House. The farmers are not so much educated. The MSP in the bills, what they want to do, they think that they are going to avoid middlemen. In my humble opinion, it is not so easy to avoid the middleman by implementing these 3 bills. When the issue was started by the farmers of Punjab and Haryana, the agricultural minister has really taken the interest to call them and try to persuade them. 11 times they have met. And he made a promise that I am going to, whatever the amendments you want to suggest, you can suggest. I will improve and I will try to see that your problem is going to be solved. That is the assurance given the farmers' delegation. But their demand is to replace. The bills must be withdrawn. That is the condition that you are trying to went on fighting this battle. Now, Prime Minister is honorable, no, the President, Prime Minister, it is a speech, of course, from the mouth of the President of India. The Prime Minister has narrated all these details. The Apex Court has stated the implementation of these laws. My government respects the decision of the Apex Court and shall abide by it. Sir, Apex Court has stayed. It has not been asked to replace it. It has been stayed. What next? Now the agitation is going on. And there are certain miscreants, certain antisocial elements has brought bad name on 26th Republic Day. We are all very much unhappy for that incident that has happened. Every political party condemned it. But those miscreants has to be punished. They have shown the disrespect to the national flag. Everybody agrees this. There is no dispute on this. But the farmers were fighting. Still the struggle is going on. The government has taken the decision to put concrete walls on the other side. But that is not going to solve. There must be a congenial atmosphere to see that the whole matter should be ended peacefully. That's my concern. I know police have taken very action not to go for firing. They are very much restrained. All these things, let us be frank, there is no question of fighting this side or that side. My concern is the farmer, the last leg of my life. The matter should be ended. I demand the government peacefully, let them call the delegation, farmers delegation. If need be, some of the leaders in this house also can join. And we can also give our suggestions to close this matter. Otherwise, things are not going to run smoothly by the government. They think that we are going to solve by taking all steps to punish those people. They are not at all responsible for that incident. The farmers are not responsible. Some miscreants, some anti-social element, for that farmer should not be punished. It is a state subject. It is in the concurrent list. Sir, the matter when these three bills were placed, state government's opinion also has to be taken at that time. That is the one thing. Other one, few points, and I don't want to, I can understand your feelings. These river linking, Karnataka is Kaveri Basin, deficit basin. Sir, the Honorable, the Minister concerning interviewing populars, recently the central government has announced fund 90-10 funding pattern for Ken Betwa interlinking project that is going to help Gujarat and Maharashtra. Sir, during Vajpayee's period, I think first when Indira Gandhi was the Prime Minister, K.L. Rao was the Irrigation Minister from Andhra. He was the person initiated for linking the rivers Mahanadi to Kaveri through Ganga. So that was the earlier stage. Now, during the Modi Sahib as Prime Minister, the first step they have taken. Now, I only request, as Kaveri is a deficient the state, Kaveri River itself is a deficient river. We are fighting Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala. I am not going to say that matter was almost concluded by the tribunal, but still the notification has not been made. That is the position. So I only request the Honorable Prime Minister to see that the preference also should be given to Kaveri and Mahanadi river link. Sir, the Karnataka now, HAL was almost to be one of the important public sector undertaking. Now, this government, they must congratulate about 83 indigenous fighter aircraft were given for the manufacturing. It cost about 48,000 crores. So that is one of the major steps taken by the government of India. That I must welcome it. Such the urban and rural, we are all coming from the rural area. Why the so-called agriculture sector, they are now coming towards the urban area? There they are not going to get the jobs.
Honorable
Sir,
Member.
only 2-3 points. the slums are increasing and there is no proper living in a rural area. That is the reason they are migrating for these towns. Now, how many slums are there? What is their condition? I am not going to say anything about this government is responsible. Dr. Manmohan Singh also taken several steps. But the problem is, as the situation is very bad in the rural area, they are going to now, once we are thinking about 75 to 80% the working force in agriculture sector. Now it has come down to 50%. My humble opinion, I am not going to say statistics is in my hands. That's the real fact. No, there are several areas where we have to further take steps to improve the condition. Now, what type of help we are given to the slum dwellers? Water, light. And they are living in the same house. What they are living about 30, 40 years back, the same condition. The living condition has to be improved. Now, the urban and rural disparity is so much, the gap. Naturally, whatever steps we take, it is not so easy. This government has also announced so many programs, but only thing is, this will go on. 75 years of independence we have passed. Housing problem we have not completely solved. Drinking water is one of the major issues because the water level, the groundwater level has gone down. In the previous regimes, we used to take groundwaters, supply to all the villages. Now as the groundwater has gone, we have to search for the water from the dams and lift that and give, solve the drinking water problem. This is one of the major issues. In Karnataka, we had the 6 or 7 districts. I am not going to name the districts. There is so much problem for the drinking water. They are struggling. See, that is to be funded by the government of India, whatever the state government is proposing for that. With these words, I would like to conclude. I know your mind. You have cautioned me 2-3 times. I am so happy my colleague has given some time. You have taken the I am watching. I don't want to further encroach upon the time of our friends on both sides. With these words, I would like to conclude. Thank you very much.